welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to cook a delicious and unique patties or tikki made from cornflakes and mixed vegetables. Now, when you talk of a tikki or a patties, all you think about is that all-time favorite aloo tikki, because who doesn't like potatoes? I myself prefer potatoes. But if you want to keep the taste factor intact, at the same time bring a health element to it, then you must try this dish, because the cornflakes bring a load of all the vitamin B's that you can ask for. It has a rich amount of iron in it, and also the mixed vegetables that we add not only add to the fiber content and the antioxidants, but also the taste of this dish. The cauliflower, which is a major element, brings a delicious taste when it gets fried up with the other vegetables. And I'm sure once you taste this, you will definitely go more for this than the all-time favorite aloo tikki. So let's not waste time and let's get cooking. You need 5 medium potatoes, 250 grams cauliflower, 1 large beetroot, all boiled in a pressure cooker and mashed together, 1 onion, 1 bunch cilantro finely chopped, 5 to 6 pods of garlic, 5 to 6 green chilies. I have taken more because I had very small green chilies. 1.5 inches of ginger, 1 teaspoon each of jeera or cumin powder and garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 4 to 5 teaspoons chaat masala, oil enough to shallow fry, both black and white salt to taste. Pressure cook all vegetables together and mash them well. Bear in mind that beetroot takes a longer time as compared to cauliflower and potatoes to cook. Hence, you can cut them into smaller cubes and then boil them together so that they cook at the same time. Grind together ginger, garlic and green chilies into a fine paste. Grind the cornflakes into a fine powder. Heat about a teaspoon of oil in a pan. Now add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, chopped onion to this, saute this. Add your ginger, garlic and green chili paste and saute. Now start adding your dry masalas, which include some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, garam masala, jeera powder and red chili powder, and saute this well. Also add some chaat masala, which gives an excellent flavor to tikkis or kebabs. Whenever you make a tikki or a patty, you always add both white and black salt, because black salt adds an excellent flavor to the dish. Add your freshly chopped cilantro at this stage. Then you add your mash of all the vegetables and mix them well. Now add the ground cornflakes and mix it well. The reason we saute in this mixture is because it increases the shelf life of this mixture. You may refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 days, or else you have to consume in the same day, because if it's raw, it is quite likely to perish soon. Form them into a patty of your desired shape. I was able to make 20 patty with the given quantity. Now heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Once the oil is heated, fry the patty for about 2 minutes on each side until you get a nice color. Because of the corn mixture, it gives a nice crunchy crust on the top, as you can see. Use a medium-high flame at the beginning and then reduce it to medium later. Serve it with your choice of chutney or dipping. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.